Don't launch your RSoC campaign before going through these steps. Hey, I'm Donald from ClickFlare, and I've helped hundreds of marketers boost their profits while tracking with ClickFlare and improving their campaigns. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn RSoC Arbitrage into a money-making machine, so make sure to stick till the end of this video. Step number 1, research on keywords. Even if you have the best creatives out there, weak keywords just won't cut it. You can go search on Facebook or TikTok ad library and see what others are running on social. If you are doing native ads, you can see proven keywords that are actually working with a tool called Adplexity. Copy those keywords, search their CPCs and competition on Google Keyword Planner or paid tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. Make sure you are using long-tail keywords, for example, home insurances in city. Try to mimic what people are actually searching on Google. Step number 2, optimize feed providers. Test as much as feed providers as you can to see who is delivering the best revenue share or overall results. You can test at the same time feeds like us.com, Tonic, System1, and use ClickFlare to track each one's performance and compare the result. Look at who is giving you the better RPC and supporting you for success. Relationships are crucial in this game, so don't overlook that. Step number 3, track costs against revenue. Track costs, profit, margins, RPCs at click level. See exactly where clicks are coming from, where users are accessing your links, and who's actually converting. With a tool like ClickFlare, you'll get a deeper understanding of what's working so you can replicate success quickly and easily. Step 4, A/B testing. 2 domains from the same feed using same keywords, headlines, call to actions, etc. can perform wildly differently. Test everything. Not just feed providers and domains, everything from headlines, pictures, call to actions, keywords, etc. Make sure that you are testing, and with ClickFlare you can send the traffic to the top performing combination with the click of a button. Step number 5, train your pixel like a pro. Feed them with many events as possible and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting for you. Many ad platforms love information. The more you send, the better your ad would perform. With ClickFlare Conversion API integration, you can customize your payload and enrich the events with valuable information and post them in real time. If you want to exclude low RPC events, you can simply add the filter under X dollar amount to exclude those conversions and you're good to go. Step number 6, scaling. It isn't just about increasing budgets. Instead of only scaling vertically, you can scale horizontally too. Clone top performing campaigns or assets to get more winning creatives running in parallel. If you want to take it a step further, you can multiply them across different ad accounts. The Optimizer can do that with just a few clicks, and you'll thank me later. This way you will keep your risk low and maximize your profits. And there you have it, the blueprint on how to be profitable with RSoC Arbitrage. Now it's time to take action on those tips to work. If this video helped, make sure to click that like and subscribe button. Comment in the section down below what RSoC challenges are you facing right now. I might cover them next. Thanks for watching.